Quick step-by-step tutorial, assigning roles for the Zoom application in Azure AD for Microsoft 365. Step 1. Access the Azure AD portal. 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the Azure portal /portal.azure.com. 2. Sign in with your Microsoft 365 administrative credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Enterprise Applications. 1. In the left-hand menu, select Azure Active Directory. 2. Click on Enterprise Applications to view a list of all enterprise applications. Step 3. Select the Zoom application. 1. Use the search bar or scroll through the list to find and select the Zoom application. Step 4. Access users and groups. 1. In the Zoom application overview, click on Users and Groups. Step 5. Add a role assignment. 1. Click on Add User Group to start assigning roles. 2. In the Add Assignment pane, click Users and Groups to select the group or user for the role assignment. 3. Select the desired security group, e.g., Zoom admins or specific user from the list. 4. Click Select to confirm the selection. Step 6. Choose the role to assign. 1. Under Select a Role, choose the appropriate role, such as admin or user, depending on the available roles configured in Zoom for Azure AD. Step 7. Confirm and assign the role. 1. Click Assign to finalize the role assignment for the Zoom application. Step 8. Verify the role assignment. 1. Ensure that the selected group or user is listed in the Users and Groups section with the assigned role for Zoom. Conclusion. By following these steps, you have successfully assigned roles for the Zoom application in Azure AD for Microsoft 365.